Hi everybody, I'm so glad that you are with me to listen and watch another wonderful plugin in WordPress. This session, I want to talk about broken links and images. As you know, broken links and images are not good for the SEO of your website. So it's better to work on that and to detect them and to correct them. How to do it with a wonderful plugin that I want to talk about that in this session. Let's go forward. In your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugin, Add New. Here type Broken Links Checker. There are some other plugins that you can check the links in your website and to detect if they are broken or not, like this one and other ones. But I suggest this one. As you see, it has 600,000 installations and very famous plugin in this regard. So I click on install now and let's see. Let's go down. This is a good part of this plugin. Monitor, detects, and notifies you for broken links. And let's look at these two optional features. Make broken links display differently in post. Prevent search engines from following broken links. Very nice. Let's install that. And let's activate it. Okay, now this is activated. After activating this plugin, let's go to Tools and Broken Links. There are some tabs here and it takes you directly into broken ones. And as you see, I have 0 broken link, but there are some other links in my website and this plugin starts detecting them. So let's go to Post and create some posts. Title of my post. Let's go to Visual. This is an example of non-broken link. Okay, so for this one, I want to copy the URL of, I click here and then I add the URL for Google. And for this one, but let's add something here to make it broken. Okay, now I want one image here, but I don't want to use this one because I want a broken image. So let's go here and write the tag of image directly. So this is image, and the source for this one could be something like the image of Google. So let's paste it here and let's close the tag. As you know, once we use this one, it uses the same thing. It adds something like this one. But I want a broken one. So let's copy it. And let's add something here to make it broken. Okay, that's it. Let's publish it. And this is my post. And as you see, this one, if you look at it here, this is okay, and this is not okay. This is okay, and this is not okay. Let's go back to dashboard, and then tools, broken links. As you see, it says there are two things that it needs your attention, and it takes you directly to broken ones. So these are the links that it needs your attention. If you go to this tab here, as you see, it added the other URL that I added recently here. And it says that this one, server not found for this one, and this one, this is the image of Google, and this one is the broken one. So it needs your attention and you can fix them. Let's go to dashboard. It's here again. Here it tells you found 2 broken links. Change the settings of this plugin. You need to go to Settings and Link Checker. These are the settings for this nice plugin. First one, status. Found 2 broken links. Here you can tell this plugin to check every, for example, 72 hours, check my links, and you can tell him to send you notification. So here you can type your email address and you can tell him to send you notification if it found any broken images and any broken links. I like this part of this plugin. First one here, you can add custom CSS to broken links. Very nice. Let's check it. So I want it to be applied. So for example, if you don't want your users to see broken links, you can type something like this: display none. That's it. So let's add some space here. And you can add other things here, and you can stop search engines from following broken links. Very nice setting. So let's save it. Let's go to posts, and then let's view this one. As you see, links, but it's not visible because I the display to none. So let's go to settings again. Let's go to this tab. Here you can tell the plugin to check, for example, the links inside pages, inside posts, and inside other parts of your website. And do you want only to check for published posts or even drafted and private posts or something? Let's go to the other tab. Do you want it, for example, to check the links for YouTube videos or other things? Okay, I think that you can check the other tabs. This plugin is great, one of the must-have plugins for your website.